And so the question is, does evil befall a city unless the Lord has done it? He did not only allow it, He did it. Well, who was that Lord? The one who was clothed in a robe dipped in blood. That's the Lord. Well, who is that Lord? Well, I am. I certainly wear a robe that is dipped in blood. Cut it and you will see there is blood there. And this is the robe that I wear. And this is the Word speaking to you that is actually now clothed in a body that is flesh. And the Word became flesh and dwelt within us. So as you go out, believe it, your own wonderful human imagination is the only God of the universe. There is no other God. There is no other power. Nothing outside of your own wonderful human imagination. To what extent will you accept Him? You may accept Him on condition. You may accept Him, well, with a little bit of this added to it. But the day will come you will actually have Him and have Him alone. And nothing but God. You're either with me or against me, said He. You can take a little bit of me, but if you feel I will take a little bit a while, and then eventually grow into the wholeness of it, all well and good. But the day will come, you will only accept the Lord. And the Lord you will discover to be your own wonderful human imagination. That is God. So, man is God, and God is man, and they are inseparable. God appears, said Blake, and God is light to those poor souls who live and dwell in night. But does the human form display to those who dwell in realms of day? When you meet man, you aren't going to see God in any more glorious form than you see Him as man. His face is man. His hands are man. It's man. Don't go beyond it. The face, the voice, the hand, that's man. And that's the glory of God. And God is man. So whatever you do to man, you're doing to God. And whatever befalls man, it is God who is doing it, because not a thing could happen to that man unless that man, in exercising the power of the universe, did it to himself. My body is an emotional filter, and I bear the marks of my prevalent emotions, good, bad, or indifferent. So you hear something concerning a man called Neville, and you will say, well, he should have known better. Well, no question I should have known better. But nothing can happen to me if I had not done it. Can evil befall the city? Well, this alters the city. Can evil befall this thing called Neville unless the Lord has done it? It cannot be. It cannot be. Therefore, anything that befalls me, I did it unto myself. No man comes unto me unless my Father draws him. I and my Father are one. So He cannot do anything to me unless I first did it to myself. And in my sleep and in my ignorance, I didn't know it. And I thought I was doing it to another. And in my strange sleep, I imagined unlovely things of another, and maybe even wished them and hoped for them, and set them all in motion. And then came the appointed hour. And because there is no other, at that moment of the appointed hour, when it must ripen, it flowers then in me, and I bear the fruit of it.